How to disable or deactivate your Instagram account. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And before that, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So first up, you open up Instagram, and once you're here, click on the bottom right corner, which is most probably your profile picture. And once you're here, all you have to do is click on the top right corner in the menu section, and once you're here, you go and click on settings. And in settings, you can see there are these different tabs like notification, business, privacy. Now you have to click on help, and once you click on help, you'll now need to go to the help center, wherein problems like these are solved. And once you're here, you can see there are a bunch of options available. But since it's deactivation and disable or deleting your account, which we were going to do, we're going to search for that. How to delete my account? Well, you can see that the first search option is what we want to do. And once you're here, you'll have to click on go to the account page. See, as you can see, the things that I've done has brought me to this page, which is delete your account. And once you're here, you will be given the option of permanently deleting your account, or as you can see here, there is this option which is called temporarily disable. So deactivation is basically that. And let me show you how to do that, because deleting your account is a one-step thing. You can see and understand what it means. So I'll go ahead with temporarily disable. And once I click on this, all you have to do now is give a reason why you're disabling the account. Let's say you're too busy, too distracted, and all you have to do now is re-enter your password and click on the blue thingy right here, which is temporarily disable account. Once you do that, you're done. Your account will be disabled and you'll have to reactivate it if you need it in the future. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you like the video, comment down below on what next video we should make, and yeah, subscribe to the channel. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.